You've tried keto before, but it just didn't work for you. Or maybe you did lose a few pounds, but then it stalled. Or even worse, you gained the weight back. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. The problem isn't keto. It's the way people learn to do it. And today I'm breaking down the 4 common mistakes women over 40 do when doing keto and how to fix them. Most people think that keto is all about eating high fat and cutting carbs, but not all keto are created equal, especially for women over 40. If your version of keto includes processed meat such as cold cuts, cheese and bacon heavy meal, and barely any vegetables, that's what I called the dirty keto version. And while it might work for a while, it's not sustainable. It can create nutrition deficiencies, imbalances in hormones, and inflammation. A big mistake I see is thinking that all keto food are created equal. Just because something is labeled keto-friendly, it doesn't mean that it is good for you. Many store-bought keto products such as mayo, salad dressing, crackers, and bread contain inflammatory things like soybean, canola oil, vegetable oil, plus some so-called keto bread or crackers sneaking ingredients such as rice flour or wheat flour or derivative of them that can spike your insulin, and that sabotages your weight loss. It's all just clever marketing. So if you've been doing that version of keto, how do we fix this? Clean up your keto by focusing on real, nutrient-dense food. Prioritize high-quality protein, healthy fats such as avocados and olive oil, and a lot of low-carb vegetables. Always check ingredient labels. And when in doubt, stick to whole food, simple meals made at home. Your body needs these nutrients to support your metabolism and balance your hormones. To make this switch easy, I've made a bad versus good oil checklist so that you know which oil to avoid and which oil to use. Click the link in the description bar below to get it. It's free, and this one switch can make a huge impact on your weight loss results. So keto is, yes, a high-fat diet, but that doesn't mean that you should be eating an unlimited amount of fat. This is one common mistake I see people do. They load up on butter, heavy cream, cheeses, oil, thinking extra fat means better results. But here's the problem. If your body is constantly fueled by the dietary fat that you're eating, when is it going to tap in to use your fat that is stored on your body as energy? It won't. One of the best things about keto is that we get to enjoy bulletproof coffee, keto desserts, fat bombs. And in the beginning, these can be great tools to keep you fat adapted and keep you full longer. But if you're still consuming a large amount of these food after your body is fat adapted, you might be taking in more fat than your body needs, slowing down your results. How do we fix this? Instead of adding extra fat just for the sake of it, or because you like it, focus on eating high-quality protein and let your body use your store fat for fuel. If you're stalled on your weight loss journey, try reducing the amount of fat you're intaking and see if that makes a difference. The goal is not to force-feed fat to our body. It's to use fat strategically to fuel our body without overdoing it. Third common mistake, and I know some people won't want to hear it, but it's still drinking alcohol. And hear me on this, because it does have a major impact on you, especially if you're over 40. While some alcoholic drinks seem to be keto-friendly because they are low carbs, alcohol is a metabolism killer, especially for women over 40. Here's why. In the presence of alcohol, fat burning stalls. When you drink, your body prioritizes metabolizing alcohol, which stalls fat burning for hours, even if you're still eating healthy keto meal. Alcohol has a hormonal disruptive effect. Alcohol increases cortisol, which leads to belly fat storage. It disrupts your body's ability to process insulin and other hormones that regulate hunger and cravings. Alcohol disrupts sleep, preventing your body from healing and maintaining balance. To optimize your results on a keto diet, cutting or completely eliminating alcohol is a game changer. Instead, choose hydrating options such as sparkling water or herbal teas that will balance out your hormones and boost your fat burning mode. Mistake number 4, you're not addressing hormones and lifestyle. Keto is powerful, but if you're not addressing hormones, weight loss will be a uphill battle. Women over 40 are dealing with perimenopause, menopause, hormonal shifts in estrogen, progesterone, insulin, cortisol, and much more. And if you're stressed, not sleeping well, or over-exercising, those things can make it even harder to lose weight, even on a keto diet. How do we fix this? Focus on stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which blocks fat loss. As a woman past 40 years of age, lowering stress is just as important as adjusting your diet. If you're constantly stressed, your body stays on a fat storage mode, no matter how good your macros are. Another fix is to get good quality sleep. Your body repairs and burn fat the best at night. So prioritizing sleep and fixing sleep issues is a major player. You also want to support your thyroid and metabolism with the right nutrients such as iodine, selenium, and magnesium. Now that you know the biggest mistake that might be stopping you from losing weight on keto, let's take it a step further. There's another powerful tool that can make a huge difference in weight loss for women over 40. That's intermittent fasting. But I know the idea of skipping a meal may feel overwhelming, especially if you're already experiencing or have fear of experiencing hunger. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to start intermittent fasting in a way that feels easy and natural without hunger and the overwhelm. Are you ready? Click on the next video to watch now.